Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. Again, my name is Leonil Jr. Bulano and today we're going to unbox the ASUS ROG Strix G. So let's unbox the ROG Strix G. Okay, there's a seal here. Okay. How do you open this thing? Ooh. Ooh. Para siyang ano no? Briefcase. Yan, so ito yung una nating makikita. The laptop itself, then manuals, a SATA adapter, some screws, power cable, charging adapter, and USB cable. So itong box, may dalawang box pang kasama. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsored item. Ayan. So kung nakikinig si ASUS, baka naman. Yeah. So we're going to open the two box. I don't know what's inside. So let's check it out. Hindi ko ano to. I don't know what is this. If you know this item, please comment down below. So we will set aside this one. We'll try to figure out what are these things. Yan. So as per manual, it's a GC21 webcam. How come meron siyang external webcam? I don't know. We will see. Sorry, nalaglag. Ayan. So next box, we're going to open. Yan. We got a free mouse. Look. It's a wireless gaming mouse. Very nice. Meron trigger sa right side. Then meron siyang cable. It's a ROG Strix 2 optical gaming mouse. So, let's go to the fun part, ano. We're going to open the laptop. ASUS Republic of Gamers. Disclaimer ulit, this is not a sponsored video. Yan. So habang hinihintay natin siyang mag-boot up, yan. So this is the ASUS ROG Strix G 531. Ayan. So napakaganda, ano. From the mouse, ayan, may ilaw yung mouse. Paikot. To the lining, ayan. May ilaw. Dito may ilaw din. Paikot. To the keyboard, napakaganda. This is the specs. It is an Intel Core i7-9750H with 12M cache up to 4.5 GHz, a Nvidia Geforce RTX 2070 with 8 GB DDR6 RAM, Windows 10 64-bit, a 16 GB DDR4 SD RAM, a 1 TB hard disk, plus 512 GB PCIe hard disk, a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS LCD, a gigabit Wi-Fi, with external camera. So that's our first impression for this new gaming laptop. I hope you like it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.